Hi, this is Mrs. Zacharias, and I'm here today to talk to you about the growth of mold, sunlight versus dark. I did a little experiment. What we wanted to do was we wanted to find out if will the bread grow mold faster in the sunlight or in the dark. And here to help me today is my daughter Julia. And Julie and I did this experiment, and we utilized the steps to the scientific method, which means asking the question. So the question was, will the mold grow faster in the sunlight or in the dark? Now, in order to do this, our hypothesis was that the bread will grow in the dark faster than the bread kept in the sunlight. That was based on some background research that we did. The materials that we needed were 2 slices of bread. It's preferable that you use it from the bakery without any kind of preservatives or anything. We used 2 Ziploc sandwich bags, 2 index cards, marker for labeling, a notebook for observations. We took pictures periodically, and a source of sunlight like a windowsill, and a source of darkness like a dark closet. Basically, the procedures were that we placed 1 slice of bread into the sunlight, and we marked that bread A here. That was kept in the sunlight, and bread B was kept in the dark. Now, Julia, just looking at these 2 pieces of bread after, this is day 10, what do you see just looking at the bread? What is your observation?
That bread B has a lot more mold.
It does have a lot more mold. If you take a close-up of that, you'll see that there's a lot of mold growing on bag B.
Ew.
And a lot more on the other side. It's basically green. It's completely inedible. Not that bread A would taste very good either, but there's a little bit of mold growing here, and a little bit more is evident on the other side. But basically, the UV sunlight, I think, protected this bread and kept the mold from growing, where the bread that was in the darkness grew much faster. So based on our observations, bread marked B grew mold faster than bread A, especially after 9 days, 10 days. We saw that it was completely covered in mold. So our conclusion is, what, Julia?
Mold grows faster in the dark.
That's right. Mold grows faster in the dark. Now, if you go onto the website, I will add this information on here, and you'll be able to see the results of my science experiment. You'll also be able to see the steps and the procedure for the growth of mold, sunlight versus dark. We hope you enjoyed this science lesson with us, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you.